Hi guys, welcome back. I have great news for you. Yesterday, the S-Joy pencils sold out within 2 hours. It was so quick, it was like a blink. The seller put up another link. This time it's for $120. They're still under $30. They're about 28 and change. It's 120 pencils. Grab them. They look exactly like these, and the seller says they're these pencils. So I've already grabbed my set. Grab them. These are one of the best pencils of the season. You will not regret it. I'm leaving the new link for his new ad in the box below. And I have another set to show you. I got the new Zenacolor 72 color set. These really intrigued me. They had really good Amazon ratings, so I bought them, and let's take a look at what you get. It's a pretty tin. Got your Zenacolor 72 pencils, vibrant colors. And then the side, it says, bring your art to the world. And then on the back, now that I've just quenched all my pencils upside down, contact zenacolor.com, so it's just a little bit more about it. So let's take a look at them. Okay, the inside comes with a laminated card, and this is so that you can get a free coloring page. Register 7 days to get a new coloring page every day. That's nice, and your access code. Then you have on the top, you have color swatching. Remember, always do your own. It doesn't always match because of the inks. Then it had a swatch sheet for you right here with the names of the pencils. This is nice. And then on the other side, which obviously I've already tried the pencils, you have a little coloring page to try out the pencils. So that's nice. I'm going to do my own tests on it. My own paper. Let's take a look, set this up, take a look at it. So I'm going to start out with the reds and the purples. I'm going to go through my test that I do. 3 layers is what I do for all pencils. Pretty typical. Bottom layer. So far, it feels a little bit scratchy, and uh-oh, we got a broken tip. Well, that's not a big deal. Only when it comes in multiple broken tips. Okay, so now we have third layer. Let's see, which is my blending layer. Not bad. I can tell you right now, it's not as buttery. So I would put it more on the scratchy side. Definitely vibrant. But we shall see. Now I do it again to another one. You can almost hear the scratch. It's making up, the feel of the pencil is being made up in the vibrancy. Because these are very, you could tell they were reacting like an oil pencil. Typical Chinese bought oil. Okay. Color balance in the set. Reds, blues, and greens. We've got purples and blues, and it's only 2 trays, so this is what you get. I thought there was no, oh, yes, there is another tray. I thought we had 3 trays. It was like 2 trays isn't enough. And you have your reds, pinks. I'd like to try those face pencils, the flesh tones. We have an interesting color here that's different. What's the name of this? Peach Puff. This is, well, it looks like it's a different color than, like a new color. Very pretty. It's definitely very peach. They nailed this one. This is not in the Prismacolor set. Looks like it has a little bit of a yellowish tinge on it. Closer to a yellow-orange, but it's definitely like directly peach. That would make a nice flesh tone. And they have the next flesh tone. They're pink. Let's see what their pink looks like. And I'm going to blend it into that. See how we do. I could probably work with that. It's not bad. And I'm going to tell you this. On all these budget sets, white pencil you might as well throw out. Let's see. Is this one going to be any different? No. Typical crappy white pencil. It is showing up a little. Nothing I would rave about. I'd use it more as a blending pencil than trying to get white down on the page. The next color you have to test is your black. Get that out. That seems to be this one. And it is. Let's see how the black does. Scratchy. Oof. Not a horrible black. It's pretty dark. I'd grab this pencil if I ran out of softer pencils. Not bad. And the next pencil I want to try, let's see, orange. Now, believe it or not, this is a little tidbit on all the pencils that I've been trying. For whatever reason, orange pencils across the board have been creamier than any pencil in the set. And that's with the cheaper sets that I've been testing. I don't know why, but it's the orange and it's across the board. So I'd be interested to see what this orange does. And it does. As soon as I put it down, I could feel there's something in the orange. Orange has a little bit more buttery feel, but I would not call this set buttery. It's making up in the vibrancy. So I'll give them that. These colors are very bright. I can work with these. These are not... I wouldn't say that these pencils are the best that you could buy. I'm not raving at them like I am with the Joy pencils. These are a contender. They will end up in the championship round. I'm not disappointed with them. For the $29 that I spent, let me see. I think it was $29.99, $30. Yes, I would call this a $30 set. So let me put down their scores. For grain, I give it a 2. Blendability, I'd give it a 2. Wearability, it didn't really take my pencil tip down, so I'm going to give it a 2. Hand exhaustion, a 2. Vividness, a 3. Color balance in the set, I would say 3. Detailed layering, I didn't test that. Let's see how. Very nice. That's a 3. I test my detail layering by after I put the wax, the pencil thing down, can I get a sharp hair? If I say I was doing hair, can I put a yes, this is definite yes. This is nice, actually. So that's a definite 3. Scratchy. I'm going to give it a 1. It's a scratchy pencil. Core strength, I haven't really broken anything. That one pencil was chipped, but I don't see anything else that's chipped, and any 1 point means nothing. The core is not horrible. It's pretty thick. I'm going to go with a 2. Packaging is a definite 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And I really agree with this score. 24 out of 30. Sounds like a reasonable score for these pencils. Okay, that's my assessment, and I will see you guys in my next video.